Tucker. Come here, you. I don't know if you can see Tucker, but he's sick. He's been hacking away and dry heaving and coughing. Turns out Tucker has a virus called Kennel Cough. And it's new to me, I've never heard of it before. But it's also amazingly contagious. So, Lily also has kennel cough. And fortunately, Tucker's getting his medicine right now.
Lily just ate some.
And Lily just ate some. She could use it though. But good job, Tucker. Fortunately, it seems to be a mild strand of the virus, or strain of the virus, and I think they'll be okay, although it has been known to kill some puppies, but she looks like she'll be fine. What do you think, Margie? You concerned? No. No, Margie's not concerned. But got a couple sick puppies at home, kennel cough, dry heaving, hacking away. So, good job, Tucker. Now it'll be Lily's turn to get her medicine. And this is a curious little critter right here. So, you know what? May as well get the whole family in on this video. Oh, there she is. Hi, Kiki. Yep. She's beautiful, but there you have it. All four of our pets, and we got Tucker out here counter surfing like he always does. So, Tucker, you gotta get better. Alright, that's all. And yep, there's the chubby one, lapping up all the juice left over. Come on, Tucker. What's going on? Alright.